Just had a new roof installed and noticing your shingles don't look perfectly flat or sealed yet? Is something wrong, or is it actually normal after a roof replacement? In this video, we'll explain why new shingles take time to seal down, what's happening during that process, and why your roof might not look perfect right away. By the end, you'll know what's normal, what's not, and when you should actually be concerned. Hi, my name is Nick and I work for Hoel Roofing Remodeling, and today we're going to be talking about what does it really mean when a shingle is sealed down, and is it normal to see some shingles not completely sealed down after a brand new roof has been installed. So in this video we'll get into the nitty-gritty of it and figure out what that exactly means for a shingle to be sealed down. So why might a new roof look uneven or wavy at first? So shingles will need time to relax, lay flat after being bundled up in their packages, and then minor lifting, shadow lines, or uneven appearance is often temporary on a brand new roof. So once those roofers get those shingles installed, they get them right out of the package, it's going to take some time for those to relax and completely seal down. So how long does it take for shingles to fully seal and settle? So it can take a few days in warm weather or several weeks in cooler seasons. So if we do an install in the summer, that roof is going to get a lot hotter than it would in cooler seasons such as fall or spring. And in the summertime, it's going to get direct sunlight and it's going to heat that decking up to where it needs to be at 113 degrees in order for all those shingles to completely lay flat and seal. Whereas in spring and fall seasons, it's going to be a lot cooler out, it's going to be a little bit more cloudy, it's going to take a lot more time for that decking to heat up to where it needs to be in order for those shingles to lay flat and seal appropriately. So between Owens Corning and Malarkey, you may notice that the Malarkey shingle will actually start sealing down a little bit sooner than the Owens Corning, and the reason that is the Malarkey shingle is made out of a polymer modified asphalt, so it's more of a rubberized shingle and will lay flatter quicker than an oxidized asphalt shingle, as that oxidized asphalt can get pretty stiff, especially if it's in cooler temperatures, versus a Malarkey shingle. There's a lot of different factors and variables that could affect the sealing process for these shingles, such as temperature and then roof orientation. Here in Indiana, southern facing roofs or southern facing slopes on a roof will get a lot more direct sunlight versus a north facing roof where it doesn't get as much direct sunlight. So in some instances, you actually may notice parts of your roof sealing down faster than, let's say, the backside that's facing north. And then other variables that could play a part are tree coverage and shade and what time of year is it in which that roof is getting replaced. So when should a homeowner actually be concerned regarding the shingles not sealing down? Shingles still not sealing down after extended weather and extended direct sunlight. If there's any visible damage or any shingles that are flapping in the wind or improper installation signs, that's when you should call your contractor for a check to verify, is there something wrong with the shingles themselves, or is it just going to need some more time in order for them to properly seal down? A new roof doesn't always look perfect on day one, and that's completely normal in most cases. The key is knowing the difference between a roof that's still settling and one that does need attention. If you want a deeper explanation of what to expect after installation, check out the link in the description below or give us a call at 765-561-4023. We'll take a look at your roof and give you some peace of mind.